Hi guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to download Windows 11 and install it in VirtualBox. So first of all, we open our browser and search Windows 11 download. So the first website comes from Microsoft.com. So click here and here it is. So we will download the ISO file. So select and the version available and we will click download. So we will choose a language. So I am going to use English and confirm. So let's download this 64-bit version. So it is around 5.2 GB file. Okay, so it will take few minutes, so I'll come back when it's downloaded. So that file is downloaded and let's check this showing folder. So here it is in my downloads folder. So now let's open VirtualBox. So here we are in our VirtualBox. So we will click new and we will name it as Windows 11 and click next. Assign a memory, so I'll give it 4 GB, around 4 GB. Okay, my system memory is 8 GB, so make sure you do not give more than 50% of your memory because your main system also need RAM for its working. So click next, create a virtual hard disk now. Click next, click next, and we will provide it around 60 GBs. So let me adjust it here. Okay, so let's click create, and now we will go to the settings and we will check these settings. So I have 8 core CPU, so I am providing it 4 cores out of my 8 core CPU. So make sure you can provide at least 2 of them. I am providing 4 core CPU because I have 8 core CPU, so I can easily provide 4 cores. So I am doing this. If you have a 4 core CPU, then you need not to change this. Now the important thing, here we will provide a disk image. So live disk, so we'll go to storage, then empty, this is the disk. So we will provide a live disk so that our windows get installed. So now we click here, choose a disk file. So now we will select that file we have downloaded earlier. Here it is, open, and now let's check other settings. Keep them as default settings. Okay, so just click OK. Now we will start it, so we will select this and start this. So press any key, so let's press any key and it will start our installation. So there will be some problem with the Windows 11 installing in this VirtualBox. So let's check this. So we will click next and install now. I don't have a product key. In case you don't have a product key, I will made a separate video for how to activate Windows 11 for free. So make sure to subscribe, and If you are watching it after some time, so don't forget to check out the description if the video is already uploaded. So we will click I don't have a product key, and now we will select Windows 11 Pro and next. So your this PC can't run Windows 11. So to fix this problem, we need to restart this. We will close it from here. Okay, now let's start it again. Press any key. Now this time we will not proceed. We will press Shift and F10 key. So here we will provide a command to edit the registry. So we will give regedit and press enter. Here we will locate a folder which is hkey local machine. Expand this, then we will go to system, then we will go to setup, and by right clicking we will create a new key, and we will name this key as LabConfig. Make sure you write it correctly in the same order. So we will write LAB and C is capital. Okay, and click enter. Now we will go to this folder, and we will create a new dword 32-bit value, and we will name it as BypassSecureBootCheck. Make sure to write it correctly. Bypass, capital S, capital B, no space, sorry, and check. Okay, and we will open it and assign a value for it. So we will give it 7 zeros and 1, this value. Okay, and click OK. Now we will create a new dword 32-bit value again, and this time we will name it as BypassTPMCheck, capital T, capital P, and capital M, and check. And we will also assign the same value for it, 7 zeros and 1, and we will click OK. Now we can close this, and this time it must get installed. So we will click install now, and let's see if it continues. So I don't have a product key. Make sure to check the description box for activation of Windows 11 Pro. So here we go, and accept the terms and conditions and custom install, and here is the disk we created earlier. So click next. So let me fast forward this, so you can follow these on screen instruction, and it will restart for several times. So do not panic, just keep it doing what it's doing. So keep it running until it's done. So we have finished installation, and here is our Windows. So let's go to settings and check it. say Windows is not activated. So in next video I'm going to tell you how to activate Windows 11 for free. So don't forget to subscribe and check out the description box for the next video. Thank you for watching.